Hello, Madam, and hello, Sir. My name is Marivic Ibora. I am 44 years old. I am married and I have two children. I am a college graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Sociology. I am also a caregiver graduate. I worked in Dubai before for 4 years as a domestic helper, and I serve 4 members in the family. Madam is 30 years old, Sir is 35 years old, and I take care of a newborn baby and a 6-year-old child. My duties are taking care of the newborn baby, feeding with milk, changing diaper, and I help the child to go to school, help in his homework, preparing food, ironing, washing, cleaning, cooking, and marketing. I also worked in Kuwait for 2 years as a domestic helper, and I serve 5 members in the family and 2 dogs. Madam is 40 years old, Sir is 45 years old, and the children are 4 years old, 6 years old, and 10 years old. My duties are helping the children to go to school, helping them in their homeworks, preparing food, washing, cleaning, cooking, marketing, ironing, and taking care of dogs. Madam and Sir, if you will hire me, I promise that I will serve you with all my heart and I will love your children like my own. Thank you, Madam, and thank you, Sir.